front of me is TECNO Pop 7, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. After that, tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now select one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. I will go with my Facebook one. Enter your current screen lock. And last but not least, click on Delete button over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Google Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!